Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of trigonometric ratios up to transformations. This is important exercise, you know already, important chapter. In this we are going to find the solutions of 6E section 2. So I already uploaded section 1. Please go through there and watch that one first, and after come to this section 2 this exercise. So here very important questions are, it will come maximum 2 marks questions come from this chapters, like 2 marks question from this exercise also will come here. We'll start with the first question here, second section. Now here first question is given that prove that the cos theta plus cos 2 pi by 3 plus theta here and plus cos 4 pi by 3 theta plus theta is equal to 0 he given here. So what we have to prove is equal to 0 we have to prove here. Now solution will come like this. So here given question is what solution here we'll take here question cos theta is given plus cos of 2 pi by 3 plus theta and plus cos of 4 pi by 3 plus theta is equal to 0 we have to prove. We will take LHS here, okay? We will take LHS. First we have to know something here. Here what means cos of A plus B is equal to, what this cos of A plus B is equal to? Cos A cos B means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B will come now. So this is the formula where we have to use now. So this formula will use here in this form, okay? So I will take LHS here. So what is LHS? Cos theta plus cos of 2 pi by 3 plus theta and plus cos of 4 pi by 3 plus theta is equal to 0. So this is LHS, and I'm taking this as LHS and I will solve this one. So here cos theta will remain like that only, plus this is cos of A plus B, will think that too. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B will come now. Cos of AB 2 by 3 plus cos A, sorry, into cos A cos B. Cos B is equal to what will come here? Cos theta. Okay, cos theta minus sin A sin B. Sin A is equal to how much? Sin A means 2 pi by 3 into cos sin theta. Here plus this one. Again cos of A plus B is equal to. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos A means 4 pi by 3 into cos A cos B now cos theta minus, and sin A means 4 pi by 3 into sin theta. This will come here. This total equation will come here. And from this I am writing from here, I'll start from here. So cos theta will remain like that only, and plus cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to how much? Cos first we will find this cos 4 pi by 3 here. Cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to, I'll find first here. Cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to what? 2 pi is equal to 180 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 60 ja will come here. So cos of 260 120. So 120 will come here. Cos 120. So we can write this one here. Cos of 180 minus 60. So it will become cos 60, minus will come here. Cos minus 60 is equal to minus 1 by 2 will come here. So this is cos of 2 pi by 3. So value is what? Minus 1 by 2 will come here. So into cos theta will come here like that only. So here minus this one minus, I'm writing here minus sin 2 pi by 3 we have to find here. Sin 2 pi by 3 we have to find. Here sin of 2 into 180 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 360 ja same. So sin 120 here. Sin 120 we can convert into sin of 180 minus 60 we can take. It will become sin only will come, sin 60 will come here. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 here. Here this one, where this one, this sin minus into like root 3 by 2 will come here. Into sin theta will be there, sin theta will write like that only. Okay. So we have to find these two things also. Means cos 4 pi by 3 also there. Cos of 4 pi. 4 into pi means 180 by 3. 3 1 ja 360 ja. 4 6 ja 24. Cos 240 will come here. Cos of 180 plus theta means 60. Cos 180 plus 60 is equal to cos 60. Okay. So cos of 180 plus 60 is equal to cos 60. What is the cos 60 value here? Huh? Cos 60 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here plus cos 4 pi by 3 is equal to how much we got? Minus 1 by 2. No? So minus 1 by 2 will get here. Again cos theta, this one. Cos theta. Cos theta. So again what we have to find? Sin 4 pi by 3 also we have to find. Sin 4 pi means 180 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 360 ja here. So sine of this is also 240 will come. Sine of what we can take 180 plus 60 is equal to 180 plus 60 is equal to how much we can take here. What will come? Sine of 180 plus 60, 60 will come here. Sine 180 means here minus 60 will come here. It will become minus root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is equal to minus root 3 by 2 will come. So here, so what are the values we got here? This is cos theta will like that we here will write only cos theta, and again what we have there, so plus minus 1 by 2 and cos theta, this one I am writing here, plus minus 1 by 2 cos theta will come here, and again so here minus will be there, minus root 3 by 2, and sin theta minus root 3 by 2 into sin theta will come, plus or minus so we will see here plus minus 1 by 2 cos theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta will come here. Okay, so here this is this is minus root 3 by 2 into sin theta will be there na, this term, so we'll write again in this one here. What will come here? That one, so that is root 3 by 2 cos, sorry, cos not cos here, sin theta here. This is sin theta. Sin theta here, uh, here minus will be there. Okay na, so here minus will be there, so this will total will come here. Okay na, so is equal to, we'll think that LHS is equal to, so cos theta will remain, so this is minus 1 by, so cos theta divided by 2 will come. This root 3 by 2 into sin theta, this is minus into minus, this minus will become plus, these two will get cancelled here. Okay, okay, so again remain will become minus 1 by 2 cos theta will remain here, minus 1 by 2 cos theta will remain. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 what? 1 only na, so here LCM will come 2 and 1 upper 2, so it will become 1, so 1 will come. So cos theta by 2, half cos theta by 2, half cos theta by 2, 1 cos theta, so cos theta minus cos theta will come here, so these two will get cancelled, is equal to 0. So what he asking us to prove? Is equal to 0 only, this one. Okay, this one he asking us to prove, that's we proved here, so in this area. Now moving to the next question, second one. Now second question is here, so prove that sine square alpha minus pi by 4 sine square alpha plus pi by 12 minus sine square alpha minus 11 by 12 is given here. Okay, so is equal to 1 by 2 we have to show. Now prove here, we have to show or prove, solution here will come like this. So sine square theta is equal to, what we can write? Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 we can write here. This is a formula where we have to use in this example, in this formula. So what is this? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2 theta. I am saying it 2 theta by 2. So I will use this as in this one here. So it will become 1 minus this first 1 minus cos 2 into alpha minus 11 by sorry pi by 4 here, and plus okay, this total divided by 2 plus sin square theta is same again, 1 minus cos 2 into theta is equal to, what is this? Alpha plus pi by 12 whole divided by 2 there, and plus this I am writing here, plus, sorry, this is area is minus here. We'll do one thing, we'll erase this one, formula also I'm erasing, please don't mind. So I have to write the solution here na? So it will become what will come here? Minus sin square 1 minus cos 2 alpha minus 11 by, sorry, pi by 12 into divided by, so what will come? 2 will come here. This is total LHS is equal to, LHS is equal to, Now here 1 by 2 I will common from all these two terms. It will become this will 1 by 2. This 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 I will common from outside. Okay, so it will become 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Na? Here, so here if we multiply with this 2 in this one, though it will become cos of 2 alpha minus 2 multiply, though it will become pi by 2 will come here again, and here plus 1 minus cos of this cos 2 again multiply cos of 2 alpha plus pi by, so pi by 2 pi by 12 means 6 will come here, and minus 1 plus cos of 2 alpha minus pi by, so here this is also 12, no. Mm, so this is also will come 6 here. Okay, these are total here. Now here 1 by 2 into, so this is 90 na, so 90, so I will write this as cos of 90 minus 2 alpha, this one. Okay, plus, and here what will come here. Mm, this minus into this minus 1 and plus 1 will come here, plus cos will come here, this is will come here, and again so this minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled na, so this is over here, and this cos of like cos of 2 alpha plus this is pi by 3 is equal to how much? Pi by 6 means 30. Okay, 30 degrees, this 30 degrees will come here, minus this is also cos of 2 alpha minus 30 will come here, so this is total here, here will come here. Okay, see here my students, here minus will be there na, this will come as minus here, so here with the plus only, so this is plus will come here. Okay na, so you have to concentration in every point, so then only the answer will come perfectly, otherwise if we minus this minus will lose na, so answer will also will lose. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos of 90 minus theta. Okay, this I will write like that only. So here minus there na, so first I will write this plus term here. Okay, plus cos of 2 alpha minus 30 minus this I will take here, now here minus, sorry, this is minus here, not is equal to minus cos of 2 alpha plus 30, so this is will come here, this is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is equal to what we can write, 2 sin a sin b, this is the formula we have to use here. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 90 minus theta is equal to, okay, what, cos 90 minus theta is equal to how much, sin theta means sin 2 alpha will come here, plus this is cos of a minus b, cos of a plus b is equal to sin a sin b, no, so this is will come as 2 sin a, sin a is equal to how much, 2 alpha into sin b is equal to how much, 30, sin 30 will come here, so 1 by 2 into, so 1 minus sin 2 alpha will come here, plus this is sin 30 is equal to how much, 1 by 2, no, so this 2 and this from this 1 by 2 will get cancelled here, so what will remain, sin alpha will only remain here, sin 2 alpha. Okay, so here minus sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha will get cancelled here, again what will remain, uh, 1 by 2 into, so here 1 will remain, so these two also will get cancelled na? So here 1 by 2 is the answer, so what we have to prove, 1 by 2 only, so this is answer for given second question here. Now moving to the third question. Now third question is given that if sin x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4 and cos x plus cos y is equal to 1 by 3, then show that the tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to 3 pi by 4. Now solution will come like this here. First one is what, sin of x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4, this is I will take first one, and cos x plus cos y is equal to 1 by 3, I will take second one. So here I will do 1 by 2 here, so 1 by, so what will come here, sin x plus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 3. So it will become, so I will do right directly here. So it will sin, this is sin c plus sin d will come here. Sin c plus sin d is equal to what will come, 2 sin 2 sin 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 will come here. This first one. Here I will write formula sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into what will come here? Cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2 will come here. This we have to use in the numerator. What will come? 2 sin c plus d by 2. C plus means x plus y by 2. Cos x minus y by 2. So divided by, so what will be there? Cos c plus cos d. So what is cos c plus cos d is equal to? I am writing here cos c plus cos d is equal to what is it? 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2 will come. So here 2 cos c plus d by 2 means x plus y by 2 and cos c minus d x minus y by 2 here is equal to 3 by 4 will come here is equal to 3 by 4. This will goes to the numerator. Okay. Now here cos x minus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 will get cancelled here. What will give, where will 2 2 will be also will get cancelled here. Tan of x plus y by 2 will come here. Tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 will come here. So this is sin by cos. Sin by cos is equal to tan only. So this sin theta by cos theta like that. So x plus y by 2 will come. So what he asking us to prove here? Tan of x plus y is equal to x plus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 he asking us to prove. Now this is the end of this first question here. This is only first question. Now second question will do. What is second question here? Solution here. Cot of x plus y is equal to 7 by 24. He saying that. Cos of x plus y is equal to 7 by 24. He saying that. Now I will do here. I will this interchange here. Cot of x plus y is equal to, I will write it as 1 by tan of x plus y like this. Like I will reverse it. Okay. I will take solution here. Tan of x plus y is equal to, so what is the formula here? 2 tan of x plus y by 2 and divided by, so 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2 will come. Okay, x by, this is the formula actually. So here what we have to show, the cot x plus y is equal to 7 by 24 we have to show here. So we'll take tan x plus y is equal to, no, so in this tan x plus formula is equal to 2 tan x plus y by 2 1 by 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2 will come here. So in this what we have got the value before this one, this is tan x plus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 now. We will submit in this one. Okay, so 2 into tan x plus y by 2 is equal to how much we got? 3 by 4 we got, and divided by 1 minus tan square x plus y by 2. Actually tan x plus y by 2 is equal to how much? 3 by 4 means 3 by 4 whole square will come here. This is 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja will get cancelled here. Okay, what will be remain here means here 3 by 2 will remain in the numerator and denominator will do the what will come? This is 9 by, like denominator I will do here only 3 by 2 will come na. So 1 minus 3 is 9 by 16 will come. 16 1 ja, this is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is equal to how much will come? 16 minus 9. How much will come? 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 only na. 7. 7 divided by 16. 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja 16. So it will goes reverse and it will become 3 by 1 into 8 by 7 will come. So 3 8 ja 24 will come here by 7. So this is the answer of given question here. What he asking us to find? Like here cot x plus y is equal to 7 by 24 he asking us, but we got tan of x plus y is equal to 24 by 7. 24 by 7. If we reverse it, the cot of x plus y is equal to 7 by 24 will come here. So this is the given question solution here. Now moving to the next question. Now here fifth question is prove that solution here I will write here, start from the here. 4 cos 12 and cos 48 into cos 72 is equal to cos 36 we have to show here. Now prove here, now, and show we have to prove here. Now I will take LHS here. I will take LHS. So what is this 4 cos 12 will come, and cos 48, and cos 72. So is equal to, I will write 2 into 2 cos 12 I will write here. This 4 I am dividing into 2 into 2. So it will become, I will take here cos of 48 into cos 72. Cos 72. So in this place, this is cos 2 cos A cos B, like this. 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula will come here? Cos 2 cos A cos B means 2 cos 12 into cos A cos B is equal to cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B means 48 plus cos B means 72. In here plus cos of A minus B. A minus B means A is equal to 48 minus 72 will come here. This is will come here. This is 2 cos 12 will come here. Cos of 48 plus 72 is equal to, so this is 80, 80 plus 120. So cos 120 will come here plus cos this will come as minus 24 will come. So plus sorry, cos minus 24 will come here. So this is here. So 2 into cos 12, cos 20, 120 value is how much here? Minus 1 by 2. So cos 120 is equal to minus 1 by 2 will come here. And here plus cos 24 means cos 24 remain like that only here. Okay, so if we do this, cos 120 is equal to 180 minus 60 I will write. Cos 60 will come here. Cos 180 means 1 by 2 will come here. Minus 1 by 2. So this will come here in this place. Now here 2 into cos of 12. So this is 2 LCM, so it will become minus 1 plus 2 cos 24 divided by 2 will come here. Okay, so 2 cos 24 divided by will come. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancelled here. What will remain? Cos 12 into minus 1 plus 2 cos 24 will remain here. What we have to show? Cos 36 we have to show here. So cos 12 plus into minus 1 minus cos 12. So this my cos 12 into this one here, and plus 2 cos 12 into cos 24 will come here. So this is again 2 cos A cos B, this formula only here. So this formula we have to use here. Again I am writing here the, like, I don't want to take a new page, I will continue here only. Is it will become minus cos 12 plus 2 cos A cos B line, like that now. So it will become cos of 12 plus this is 24, and plus this is 12 minus 24 will come here. So it will become cos minus cos 12, and plus cos 36, and here this is, here cos will come cos minus 12. Cos minus 12 means cos 12 only. So cos 12 will get cancelled, is equal to cos 36 is the answer what we have to prove here. That's only come here. Now sixth one here, prove that the sin 10 solution here, what is given here? Sin 10 plus sin 20 plus sin 40 plus sin 50. Sin 50, like, wait, sin 50. So is equal to what we have to prove? Sin 70 plus sin 80 we have to prove. So we'll taking LHS, left side, left hand side. So sin 10 plus sin 20 plus sin 40 plus sin 50 is equal to sin 50 only, no? The question is right only. Okay, right. Is equal to, I will take sin 10 plus what is easy for me to do? Sin 60. Okay. Sin 50 I will take here. Okay. Plus this is at one place, plus sin 20 plus sin 40 will be, I will write at one place. So sin C plus sin D. Sin D. Sin C plus C sin D is equal to 2. What will come? 2 sin C plus D by 2. So means 10 plus 50 divided by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Kada? So it will come as like what will come here? So C plus D minus cos C minus D by 10 minus 50 by 2 will come here. Plus sin this is also sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin c plus b d by 2. So 20 plus 40 divided by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So means 20 minus 40 divided by 2 will come here. So it will become 2 sin c plus d by 2 means here this is 60 by 2 is 30. Sin 30 will come here into cos is equal to this 10 minus minus 40 will come. So cos what will come? Cos minus 2 1 ja 2 20 ja minus 20 will come here. So plus this is 60 will come. So if we cancel though it will become 30. So 2 sin 30 will come here again. So here into cos uh, 30 minus 40 is equal to 10 only na. So no 20. This is 20 actually. 20 minus 40 is equal to minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 2 will come here. So this will. So here this 2 into sin 30 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. So cos 20 minus cos 20 is equal to, so cos 20 only will come here. And plus 2 sin 30 means 1 by 2 only will come here. Cos this is 10 will come here. Minus 10 means cos 10 will come here. Cos 10. So it will become 2 2 will get cancelled here. 2 2 will get cancelled. Cos 20 will got here and sin cos 10 we got here. Cos 10. So these two things we got here. So what we have to prove? Sin 70 plus sin 80 we have to prove here. Now here this is, I will write it as cos of 90 minus 70. So cos 90 minus 70 is equal to 20 and plus cos of 90 minus 80. So 90 minus is equal to 10. This is 10 will come na. So that's it. So here we'll write here cos 70 90 minus 70 is equal to sin 70 will come here. Sin 70 plus cos 90 minus 80 is equal to sin 80 will come here. So this we have to prove here. So this we got here. Okay, sixth one over, fifth one over. Okay, now fourth one is there. I think so. Here fourth one only there. So it is third one also. Third one first, second first one completed and the second one also completed here. The first one also completed here. Again fourth one is there. This fourth one will find do here. Solution here. What is the question here? Now question is given that if neither a minus pi by 2 nor a minus pi by 12. So this is also 12 here. Okay, is an integral multiple of pi. Prove that cot pi by 2 minus a plus tan pi by 12 plus a is equal to 4 cos 2a by 1 minus sin 2a we have to prove here. Now solution here, what is given question is this one. Solution here, cot of what is pi by 12 minus a is given and plus tan of pi by 12 plus a is given. This is LHS I am taking here. Now after that here from this cot of pi by 12 means 180 by 12 is equal to 180 by 12 is equal to 2 6 ja 2 90 ja, okay, 2 6 1 ja 6 15 ja here means 15 will come, 15 plus a will come here, 15 plus a, 15 plus a only a will come na, no. So here 15 minus a because this term we are taking here na, so this term here 15 minus a will come here. And again what will be there here, again plus tan of same thing. So tan of 15 plus a will come here. So these two things we got here. Cot, this is cot. Here cot only na. So cot. So what we can write here? This I will write it as, I will start from here. Okay, left side. So cot of 15 minus a divided by, we can write it as cos 15 minus a divided by sin 15 minus a, we can write it as. And again plus this is sin 15 plus a divided by cos 15 plus a we can write. Okay, so from here cross multiplication it will become, okay, so cos of 15 minus a into cos 15 plus a plus sin of this one, again I'm writing here sin of 15 plus a into sin of 15 minus a will come here. This total will come in the divided by this multiplication, sin of 15 minus a into sin cos of 15 minus 15 plus a will come here. So this total thing will come here. Here numerator c will cos a cos b plus sin b sin a, sin a sin b plus cos a cos b is equal to, we can write this as So what we can write this as, like anyone can say, cos of, say anyone, cos of a minus b. A is equal to how much? 15 minus a, cos of a minus b means minus 15 plus a will come here. Okay, this will come here divided by this is sin a sin b. Okay, this is sin a cos b. So we'll do one thing here. 1 by 2 I will multiply, and I will multiply with the 2 and divide with the 2. It will become so this is 2 sin a cos b, like. So it will become what will become 1 by 2 into sin of a minus b. So sin of a plus b first, and after that a minus b, no. So sin of a plus b means sin a plus b is equal to 15 minus a, and plus 15 plus a will come here in this one. And again, what is there? Sin of a minus b, like plus sin of a minus b means 15 minus a minus 15a minus a will come here. So here this total answer will come here. From this we can write it as this is cos, here 15 will get cancelled here, and minus a cos minus 2a will come here. Cos minus 2a will come from that. Here minus will here 15 minus a and minus 15 minus a will come here if I multiply this two. So here also will come as like divided by this 2 will come upside, it will become 2, and sin 15 minus a, like a will get cancelled here, sin 30 will come now. Sin 30 is the value here, denominator sin 30 is the value will come here, again plus this is sin, like what will cancel here, 15 will cancel here, like cos a cos b, no? So what will come here, 15 will get cancelled here, sin minus 2a will come here, sin minus 2a will come here, so this will come here. So we can write it, this is in the form of like 2 cos of, like what we got here, 2 cos 2 cos minus 2a, 2 cos minus 2a means what will come, 2 cos 2a only will come here, na. 2 cos 2a, and divided by what will be there, sin 30 plus sin 2a, sin 30 plus sin minus 2a will come here. So this we got here. Okay, so here we can do anything. So can anyone say like that, anything. So here sin 30 is equal to what, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 plus sin 2a is equal to, we'll write like that only, minus 2a is equal to 2 LCM करे तो, so LCM करे तो this will goes here, okay na. So it will come as like okay, so cos 2a will write first we like that only. So divided by this minus 2a will come here, minus will come outside, sine of minus theta is equal to, I told you already, sin theta minus sin theta. So here 1 by 2 minus sin 2a will come, sin 2a will come is equal to 2 cos 2a divided by, so this is 1 minus 2 sin 2a will come, this 1 is there na, so multiplying with this one, the 2, so 2 will go subside, it will become 2 into 2 will come here. So 4 cos 2a divided by 1 minus 2 sin 2a will come, 2 sin 2a, 2 sin 2a will come here. So this is answer here. So it will become 4 cos 2a divided by 1 minus 2 sin 2a. So what he asking us to prove here? Anything only? This is only here. 4 cos 2a divided by 1 minus sin 2a he asking us to prove. So we got the answer here. So this is the answer here. Now this is the end of the section 2. So every problem is difficult while doing the problem. So many formulas, many things we have to consider. We have to remind those methods like formulas also. So please do guys share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. And this is here very important chapters for your intermediate first year maths. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you guys. Signing off.